Welcome back, friends. We have seen inductive proximity sensors. Inductive sensors are used to detect the presence of metallic objects. And these sensors requires DC or AC voltage for the power to drive circuitry to generate the fields and to produce output signal. So basically these are required to detect metallic objects, and these require some DC or AC voltage. Next, the inductive proximity sensor consists of four basic elements. You can see in the figure also sensor coil or Faraday coil. So this is the sensor coil or Faraday coil, oscillator circuit, trigger or detector circuit, and solid state output circuit, which is centered to the Faraday coil. Even you can see in figure the proximity sensors like this, and there is a target. So to detect the metal object, so this is the target where the sensing field will be going, touching, and this is how the detector and trigger and detector circuit will detect it. And below it is shown as target absent or target approaching sensors. So there is on and off output stage shown as normally open and closed. So state solid output circuit will detect, identify the amplitude or frequency of the electromagnetic radiation, and based on that the target absent or target present is detected. So this is the circuitry diagram: sensor coil or Faraday coil, oscillator circuit, trigger or detector circuit, solid state output circuit, and through which there will be electromagnetic signals thrown towards the target, and once the target is found, which is detected, the sensor can identify some metals. So the oscillator circuit generates a radio frequency electromagnetic field which radiates from the Faraday coil or coil assembly. You can see this is the sensing field in the figure or towards this side, which is generated by sensing oscillator circuit or your coil. The field is this electromagnetic field, radio frequency electromagnetic field is centered around the axis of Faraday coil core. Whatever this coil or Faraday core is there, sensor coil or Faraday core, to that axis this electromagnetic radiation is centered, and which shapes the field and directs it at the center phase, and as shown in the figure, which is directed towards the target. When a metal target approaches and enters the field, eddy current are induced and into the surface are introduced or induced in the surfaces of the target. So when there is a metal target approaches and enters this electromagnetic radio frequency electromagnetic field, the eddy current is introduced into the surface of that target, and this is how we can detect the metal target using inductive proximity sensor.